Hi friends, a warm welcome to all. Uh, Hi, welcome to Let Us Study channel. Please watch the video till last. Today's topic chemical changes. In the last class, we have discussed about what are physical changes. In this class, we are going to discuss what are chemical changes. We know that chemical changes have properties. Everything has a properties. But in the case of physical change, the properties doesn't change. But in the case of chemical change, the properties change, but they can't brought back. In the case of physical change, they can be brought back, but in the case of chemical change, it cannot be brought back. A chemical change occurs when a substance combines with another to form a new substance called a chemical synthesis or alternative chemical decomposition into two or more different substances. These processes are called as chemical reactions and in general are not reversible except by the further chemical reactions. You can see the examples of the chemical changes right here. The rusting of the iron, the burning of the candle, the burning of the bark, and the banana peel, and the water explosion, some explosion. Now we'll see the indicators of a chemical changes. They can be also called as properties, but don't think it is a properties, it's indicators. You can predict whether a chemical change happened or not by seeing the following things: change in temperature, change in color, noticeable odor after reaction of the it has begun, formation of the precipitate, formation of the bubbles. There is no need for your class, but I'm just for extra information I'm giving you. Guys, the chemical change is a very easy topic. There is nothing in the chemical change. If you take, I'll tell one example which you can conformly understand the topic of the chemical changes. If you take a sugar, a tablespoon of sugar, burn it, you will see that it becomes liquid for some time. After burning for a long time, it will be turning in the brownish black color. Then the taste will be changed. So a chemical reaction is a reaction where it rises to which gives a birth to a new properties, leaving the old properties. Okay, now going to the next topic. As we have know what are chemical changes, we will go to the topic that is rusting of iron. What do you mean by the rusting? Some say that we can see in the older metal pieces pipes that rough to touch, and another they become weak too. Yeah, most of them say. If some of the children will be having the things of the metals, but after some time they will get rust off. You will observe your cycles. Most of them you observe your cycles. After coming of vehicles, no one is using cycles. They are all using vehicles. So after you now try go to your cycle near your cycle, try to ride it. It will be very hard to ride. Not on in the case of who are daily using the cycle. In the case who are not using the cycle daily. Now you can see that there is very hard to pedal it, because your chain of your cycle had become rust. This rust makes your cycle make rough. This roughness will make more burning of energy of your body. So why does a rusting happen on metals? There will be some reason, right? Everything in the nature, the blueness of sky, there will be some reason why they are happening. In the same way, this also has a reason. Shall I say the opening suspense? I'm opening my suspense. The suspense is the metals react with oxygen in the atmospheric conditions. or if there is a water, they react with that. With this reaction of the oxygen and water creates a rust, which will make the cycle be rough or something which is made up of metal. Most of them you will see that your pedals, your door clock, your doors batteries will be rusting because of this only. And rusting can also be prevented for the following measures, that is painting. Your cycles have been painted, except your chain, all will be good enough to see and they all will be good enough to touch, but your chain only rusts because it doesn't have any painting, an oil paint. If it would have a painting, then it would be not rusting. Okay, you can see here in the case of the chain. Yeah, and friends, thank you for watching, and thank you for listening to me patiently. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and add the bell icon for more videos.